Hi there, my name's Rob Nixon. I've been in business since I left school at the age of 16, and I'm going to tell you, I am sick and tired of dealing with accountants who do things that are not conducive to my success. You may feel the same way. For example, doesn't it really irk you and annoy you that they send you a bill, most of them, after the work's been done? It's a complete surprise how much it costs. Doesn't it annoy you that they keep charging you for telephone calls and emails and meetings as if, their time is money and they're so important? No wonder we don't phone them. They slug you with a $50 bill every time you talk to them. I get really annoyed when I go to visit the accountant once or twice a year in the past, when I've dealt with reactive firms. I get annoyed when they tell you things, oh, you should have called me sooner, you should have done this months ago. Well, hang on a minute, I'm not an accountant, you're the accountant, why don't you call me? I get annoyed when the bank talks to me and they say, you've hit your overdraft limit, your borrowings are out of whack, you've got to do this and this and this. Well, hang on a minute, I'm in business, I know how to sell shoes, I make pumps, I sell things, whatever it is. I'm talking about you, I'm talking about business. Dealing with accountants is very annoying. They don't tell you in factual terms, this is how you do it. They often tell you just what to do. I'm talking here about the reactive accountants out there, the one that you may have right now. These reactive accountants are constantly, they're history writers. They're just writing up the past, your compliance. It's like they're the agency for the government. The government changes the rules, they write to you and say you must do this as well. Where's the value in that? Where's the value in what you have to provide to the government for your tax return, your annual compliance, your fringe benefits tax return, your superannuation, all that sort of stuff? It's just paperwork. It's about time the accounting profession stepped up. Stepped up and stopped being so reactive. It's about time us business people sort out accountants that were proactive, that really help us to tell us, where did the money go? I've made a profit, I've drawn a salary, but why is there no money left? Maybe you ask that question right now. Wouldn't it be better to deal with an accountant that was on the front foot, advising you every step of the way? They have skills, by the way, that we don't know about. They have skills in cash management, in financing, in freeing up and understand our money. They have skills in structuring so that we can protect our assets forever. They have skills in wealth creation, but we never get to hear about it because most accountants out there react. They're just reactive. They're history writers, not proactive history makers. Good news is there's a bunch of proactive history makers out there who are willing to help you. If you are currently disgruntled with your current accountant, one of two things need to happen. One, you need to talk to them and say, hey, step up. Can you get more proactive with me? Talk to me, phone me, ask me what's going on, visit me, give me a price before we start. Ask your current accountant to step up and come into the century that we are, the 21st century. Often these guys are running businesses 10, 20, 30 years ago. Get with the times. Get them to step up or change accountants. Get serious. It's your business. You need an advisor that's there standing side by side with you, advising you every step of the way. Not how to make your product or sell your product or do what it is you do, but when it comes to your financial well-being, your financial health, the fitness of you in your business. Get them to step up or change accountants. Go to proactiveaccountants.net and here's a place where you can find an accredited bunch. Firms that are small, nimble, proactive, proven to be proactive. Either get your current one to step up or find a new one.